Okay. Now suppose you are interested in testing whether diet A and diet B are basically the same. So alpha 1 and alpha 2 are same. Unfortunately, R has dropped this alpha 1 term. So how do you do that? Well, the syntax is rather weird. So you just assume as if alpha 1 is fixed to be 0. So when you are testing alpha 1 equal to alpha 2, you are basically testing alpha 2 equal to 0. So that is a weird syntax of R, because you really cannot test alpha 2 equal to 0 in a meaningful way, because that is not even estimable. But that's how you have to write it here. So I write LHT fit diet B. So if I just write diet B, I am basically testing that alpha 2 minus alpha 1 is equal to 0. So let's carry that out. So it has happily carried out the test, and it says that I am testing diet B equal to 0. Remember, it is testing this under that additional restriction that diet A equal to 0. So effectively it is testing diet B minus diet A equal to 0. Anyway, this is just weirdness of the syntax, but the result that you get is perfectly meaningful, and you get this. In fact, you can even test things like more weird things like diet B minus 2 times diet C equal to 0. So you can use this syntax within a string, and you will get that. So it will carry out the test. Diet B minus twice diet C is equal to 0. So because it has already incorporated that lack of identifiability into its model by dropping the redundant column of X, so alpha 1 has been forcefully set to 0. Now we are working in a full column rank situation, so you can specify whatever linear combination you like, and it will happily test it. But your interpretation should be this. So never say that I have tested alpha 2 equal to 0. Remember, it is working under that restricted setup where alpha 1 is set to 0. So whenever you test using R that diet B equal to 0, you should report it as saying I am testing alpha 2 equal to alpha 1. Okay? So that is basically the thing that I wanted to talk about in this video. Please go through chapter 3 of our book, as well as look up the help of LHT, because there are some slight nuances here and there that I have omitted.